Greetings from Maximus. Hi, myself Alka Sharma. I'm the career counselor of Maximus. Today, I'm going to explain few things on Azure Databricks training course. In this Azure Databricks training, we will cover from basic to advanced level of the training. In case, if you are looking only for the advanced or the basic part of the training, it is also possible. We do believe in complete customization of the training solution for one and all. Hence, if you are an individual or corporate, we will fix the training agenda as per your requirement or as per your project requirement and then deliver the training for you. Here is the agenda, what the trainer is going to cover in this Azure Databricks training video. What is Azure Databricks? That is the introduction part, course content, certifications of Azure Databricks, prerequisites, why one should choose Maximus Trainer, what are the job opportunities available for Azure Databricks, Maximus introduction, corporate training benefits as well as individual training benefits, conclusion, and lastly, how to reach us or how to enroll with us for the Azure Databricks training purpose. What is Azure Databricks? Azure Databricks is a data investigative platform advanced for the Microsoft Azure Cloud Services platform. Databricks is an industry-dominant, cloud-based data engineering tool used for converting and changing large quantities of data and inspecting the data through machine learning models. Azure Databricks provides two circumstances for expanding data-concentrated applications, such as Azure Databricks SQL Analytics and Azure Databricks Workspace. Moving on to the next, we have the Azure Databricks course content. Let's have a look on the standard course content that we have with us today. About the course content, the trainer has listed few topics for you, what he is going to cover in this video. So here are the topics for you. Let me read out the topics of Azure Databricks. The topics are: why Databricks? Databricks with Microsoft. Spark Databricks Analytics. Databricks Workspace. Optimization technique. How to calculate executor. Spark ETL job. Handling flat file. Integration services. Migration on-premise data to cloud. Monitor pipeline. So far, I have shown you here is the main course content. Basically, what the trainer has prepared for you for Azure Databricks training session. Moving on to the next, we have what are the benefits of certifications for Azure Databricks? On completing the Azure Databricks training, one can definitely go for the certification exam. After passing the certification exam from any reputed institution, market rate will be definitely higher than before. You will be regarded as certified professional and you can surely apply for a better designation. Here is the details of prerequisite That is, who all are eligible to take part in Azure Databricks learning session. They running Azure Databricks training course. Any candidate with no prior knowledge in this specific field can join the Azure Databricks training session and learn this in depth to start his career. Next, we have why Maximo's Azure Databricks trainer? It's because our trainers are real-time subject matter experts from corporate and have minimum of 10 to 15 years of experience in this field. They will tell you real-time industry Azure Databricks implementation challenges, what even they are facing in their day-to-day activities. They will also share with candidates about the case studies of Azure Databricks. The trainer will not only cover those topics, whatever they have listed down in the course content slide, but they will definitely make you project ready so that the candidate can easily start working on project from day one after the successful completion of the Azure Databricks session. They will eventually guide you for the Azure Databricks certification exam also, so that the candidate can pass the exam within ease. What are the job opportunities available for Azure Databricks across the globe? If you are searching for job in India, probably I can say Naukri is the best platform available. Let's have a look at the Naukri platform. I've already opened it for you guys. I can see currently there are 13468 job opportunities across India. Among these, the topmost locations are Bangalore being the top. There are 5543 job opportunities for Azure Databricks. Then I can see Delhi, where there are 2842 job openings and 2824 openings in Pune and many other locations available. Let me see how much package they are offering. I can see 7065 who all are ready to pay in between 6 to 10 lakhs. 5157 who all are ready to pay 15 to 25 lakhs. Let's see which are the companies in India hiring for Azure Databricks. Accenture being in the top, where there are 318 job openings and many other big companies are also hiring for Azure Databricks across India. And if you are looking for job opportunities across USA, then Dice is the best platform available. Let's have a look at Dice. In Dice, currently I get to see there are 8168 job openings in Dice for Azure Databricks. And if anyone is looking for a job across worldwide, then the LinkedIn is definitely the best platform to look for job across the globe. And in LinkedIn, today there are 15423 Job opening, I repeat, 15423 job openings for Azure Databricks. Let's say across the globe, who all are the companies hiring for Azure Databricks? I got to see PepsiCo, Tata Consultancy Services, S&P Global, PwC, EY, Infogain, Databricks, etc. These are the top companies hiring for Azure Databricks across the world. And what are the top locations available? Currently, Germany being in the top for Azure Databricks. Then comes Netherlands, Poland, United States, France, Australia, etc. Why one should choose Maximus Training Institution? Maximus Institution is a 15-year-old corporate training and project consulting company. If you have to talk about our company Maximus, we are one of the top technologies training company in niche technologies across India, USA, UK, Europe and various parts in UAE. Maximus has successfully conducted more than 1,000 corporate trainings in India, Finland, Sweden, Germany, Austria, Israel and Singapore, or say any country name. We have also received excellent feedback and appreciation from our corporate clients throughout the globe. These are the names of the top clients for whom we have already provided Azure Databricks training in India as well as outside India. Let's look into the next slide we have. What are the corporate training benefits of Azure Databricks from Maximus? Customization of course content can be done as per the company's project requirement. We do actually provide implementation and the configuration level of Azure Databricks training. Maximus corporate training program help employees to start working on project from day one after the successful completion of the training session. Even you have the option to choose location, training mode, and your preferred schedule. We will definitely provide course completion certification to all the participants. Next, what are the individual training benefits from Maximus? And the benefits are customized training to individual is our main USP. Industry specific subject matter experts trainer for individual project. Flexibility to select trainer and have live demo session with trainer before the starting of the Azure Databricks training. Each candidate will easily get to know the Azure Databricks certification exam process in details. On concluding today's session, I can say that Azure Databricks is available to all sizes of enterprises. It permits them to easily perform the full potential of combining their data, extract, load, and transform processes, and machine learning activities. And for Maximus, I can proudly say we have industry-specific senior subject matter expert who can customize the training agenda as per project requirement for companies and for individuals. This Azure Databricks training will be of implementation and configuration level of training. When it comes to individuals training, individuals may not find customized training as per their project requirements in most of the places. but arranging one-to-one customized implementation level of training for our individuals is our main USP. Last but not the least, I can summarize that Azure Databricks has great market job opportunities throughout the world. Excellent trainer, implementation and configuration level training, course completion certificate, Azure Databricks certification tips and guidance, and learning at your own pace. All this option makes us excellent and first choice for learning Azure Databricks training course. For more information, or if you want to enroll with us for Azure Databricks training session, one can definitely reach us through these numbers below. Please note down all the contact numbers. We are even reachable in WhatsApp in these numbers mentioned here. And one can even drop a mail in this given mail ID, that is contact@maxmonos.com. And one can easily reach us by clicking on the URL given in the description box. One can even reach us by dropping a message in our live chat box, and the concerned person will immediately get back to you and solve all your queries regarding the training session. So, for an excellent career growth in Azure Databricks, do join us now. I hope you will definitely love and enjoy the full Azure Databricks training session with Max Monos. Candidate satisfaction is our main responsibility. Thank you.